good start. Hey, I'm Mark the Short Scottish Guy.
Are you?
Yeah, and this is
Um,
DaveLeMicrowave.
Am I?
Yeah, joining me for an insane, idiotic thing to do. The good thing is they're past their best before date, so they might actually not be as spicy.
At least you feel remorse.
They'll probably be stale though.
Yeah, that's the thing. I actually feel worse about that than
Right.
doing the challenge.
Before I actually do it, I'm gonna line my mouth.
How far best? You're gonna line it with iron brew.
It's dry.
Oh,
So yeah, that's why I'm drinking something just now.
you were gonna line it with
And I
me.
think that's how Kenny outlasted me and managed the 5 minutes. Because he was drinking beer. Right. Clock. Is it stopwatch the one that goes up? Yeah. Timer goes down.
You're gonna pass me.
There you go.
How far out their best before date are they?
Can't remember. Not much. I think it was like February or something.
Not much.
Oh god, I remember that smell.
Delete the back out.
Yeah.
That actually fills me with dread. That's not what I thought it was gonna look like. That's really not what I was hoping it would look like.
I'm gonna take another drink before I start.
I'm not taking a drink.
Oh god, I can smell it in the air.
I can.
It's so bad. I'm gonna try and angle this so I can get it
I'm
in
trying to
without
smell
touching
it
my
without
mouth.
any of it going up my nose.
Yeah, it tastes bad as well.
Oh.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
Well, it tastes horrible.
It's still.
I actually can't swallow it. It tastes horrible. I can't, but I can't.
Still getting worse. Oh, you've got hiccups. That's not good. One minute then. Mind your hand. So you lasted about a minute. What would you rate it?
300.
Out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
2.5 minutes. Can't tell if it's getting more tense or if it's just kind of like staying the same now.
I wasn't sick.
No.
Thank God.
The hiccups are scary though. I got that the first time. Ugh. Over 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to go. I would say the fact that they were stale made it even harder to eat.
I actually couldn't swallow it.
Less than a minute and a half to go. Then I can have a drink. I think that's the proof that I've got quite a good tolerance.
You.
I warned you.
No, fuck you for doing the thing, just fuck you for doing it so well.
Most of the meals I eat are spicy, to be fair. It's in my stomach now. I can feel the heat. Oh, just because it's getting towards 5 minutes, I'm going to hold off for another minute.
No, that's a burning.
Mm-hmm. I've got a milkshake ice lolly in the freezer, so if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Strawberry milkshake.
I don't actually think I can get up though.
Over 5 minutes! Line in the mouth definitely helped.
Mm.
Where's the rest of that plastic? Might want to also be careful with the glass because you touched that with a glove. "30 more seconds and then I'll have a drink." At 6 minutes. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cheers. Oh, that's good. Well, I passed the challenge. This is just making it spicier. Oh, getting more of the flavour now. Ew. Horrendous flavour, by the way. Absolutely disgusting. I've been sick. Is that just milky sick? Ah. This only exacerbated it. But this is what all those channel points were spent on a while ago. The flavour for me is by far the worst part. You winning?
No.
Or you winning, son? The good news is, it's probably going to start fading now.
It has started.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. I don't actually think the milk got out of my stomach.
Hmm?
I don't even think the milk got out of my stomach. Or it did for about half a second and was like, fuck this.
Yeah. The iron brew only actually made it spicier. Oh, pardon me.
Experience of my life.
uh,
I have broken bones. Even that wasn't as painful.
do you regret not being prepared?
No, I'm so glad I wasn't.
Ew. It's in my teeth. So I went 6 minutes and 9 seconds before I had a drink.
I've probably been about 6.
No, I think you lasted a minute.
I think that was more, it took a minute to kick in.
You went to the toilet to spit it out, and then you came back and said, fuck the 5 minutes, and then that's when you...
Sorry. The minute was probably spent actually wanting to die.
Yeah. Ah. That's the worst part, though. It's done.
That's the best sick I've ever had. I actually felt relieving.
It's like the SpongeBob. That was so good. I think I'll tap it a second time.
I didn't know I was going to be sick, but I was at the point where like I had the milk and I was like, I actually can't swallow this. That's what I went to the toilet to do, was just spit the milk out. Tasted fucking horrible.
Yeah, that's the worst part of it. The flavour's horrible. If it had
That
some good flavour,
instantly the flavour made me want to be sick.
if the flavour was decent, then I think it would have been much easier, much less stressful. Oh, that burp tasted like it. Horrible. Did your ears pop? No. Sometimes when I have really spicy food, like my ears kind of pop a wee bit. Or at least sounds become slightly more muffled.
I'd be play a game while doing that.
You didn't manage to play a game. You spent most of it in the bloody bathroom.
Yeah.
But you also see why I was saying about not having foods for quite a while before it.
Doesn't matter, it just ends up in there anyway.
No, but like that's why you want there to be a gap, so like there's less chance
I
of
didn't
the
know
foods to come up.
You didn't tell me that until I got here.
I had my breakfast at like 10. I was fucking starving. It's horrible. I win. I did and beat the challenge. I did and beat the challenge. The one chip is all it takes. Couldn't have a whole bag of that anyway.
Stop talking about it.
I'm glad I'm not going to be kissing anyone later.
I'm now at like quite spicy food level. I'm terrible now.
Yeah, my lip is
Yeah, my
like I've
lip's
just
like the
finished
worst pain at
eating
the
a
minute.
spicy curry kind of feel.
My lips the worst pain at the minute, but it's very.
I also tried to make sure I didn't get any on my lips. I was like trying to angle it so I can just get it all in my
I
mouth.
don't think it was the chip that ended my lips. I think it was me like I started licking them because I was like, get it off.
I think you had a wee bit of powder on your lip,
No.
so that wouldn't have helped.
Folk when I went to high school used to buy those chilies, like the actual chili, and fucking eat them for their lunch.
Carolina Reapers?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's insane. Is that over like 2 million Scovilles?
Yeah. How many is that?
I think jalapeno is like 1,000.
It's 10,000.
Is it 10? Oh, like 10,000. And that would be like a dry jalapeno probably,
Yeah.
which is really spicy.
How many is that?
2.5 million.
Oh, so that's more than a fucking Carolina Reaper.
Yeah, because it's concentrated, it's dried. But like, they also have super Carolina Reapers in America.
Fuck
Like,
fuck them. Fuck everything.
they
fuck
do a
this.
competition every year. Like, pretty much all the Carolina Reapers are grown by this one guy. He like has super spicy versions of them.
Fuck that guy. That guy should be in prison. Fuck him.
I think he works with the people that do the Hot Ones challenge.
Fuck them as well. I could never watch
He
that.
provides the Carolina Reapers for their hottest spice. If I remember right.
I'll never eat that curry again. I'll just flash back to this.
I had a curry yesterday. It was just a Chinese one that I made. I feel good. Oh. Since you provided most of the points towards that as well, I think it was totally fair that you got to join in on it.
Right.
Does this go in plastic bin?
Yeah, fuck. I can't even think anymore. I don't know who I am. I'm having like some weird out of body experience.
That's a good thing about spicy food. It's like it can almost be hallucinogenic if it's super spicy.
I might question every life decision that led me up to this point. I'm never, ever, ever doing that again.
I think I've only got like one left anyway, or two left. I'll bin them.
How many did you get in a pack?
I've got 10. You can order just a single one, or like 3, or 10,
You get 10.
because plenty of other people would want to do it.
Other people don't fucking do it. It's not worth it.
Unless you've got a good spice tolerance,
No, you haven't.
then it's worth just doing it just to see. Let's see, what was the best before date? Does it say on here? No.
Maybe a best before not used by.
It is best before. It says once opened, consume within 3 days. Sure, it would be stale even before then if you've opened it. Wash hands thoroughly after handling. Avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas. Let's not actually say how hot it is on the thing.
What's that?
That's just a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable.
Oh.
This is just stuck from in my drawers while my mum's shopping. Yeah, I think there is only one other thing. Ooh, what's this? Ah. It's a pouch. Just an empty red pouch. No.
I don't actually think I swallowed any of it anyway. I don't think my body let me.
I did. It was in my mouth a lot longer than the first time I did it. It was the first time I did it, like I pretty much went in, couple bites, swallowed, and then I was hiccuping for like the next 30 seconds. And that's when you worry, because hiccups can lead to spewing.
No, the spume's the best part.
Out of sight, out of mind. Pardon me. Ew. Yeah. It's £30 I paid for 10 of them. You can get a whole bag of them. £5.99.
Whole bag.
Looks like it. It'll probably be like that size.
Man.
Unless it's just like a big bag with just one in it. This is for one extremely hot chip. Okay, so it's just the one. They just made it look like a full bag of crisps. Right. Where does it say the strength stuff? FAQ? Well, the Packway one's 1.7 million. He's gone. Totally for me.
Lucky you. It's in my mouth, but it's still in my lips.
Ooh. I possibly could have zened and not even had a drink.
I tried for half a second and it didn't look.
Breathing through the nose is the easiest way.
Tried it, didn't work.
One of those things, like every time you breathe out, it's like the heat just gets. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The thing is, like once it peaks, you think, oh right, that's as hot as it gets. It can't get any hotter. But then it just doesn't go away for ages. The spice just hangs and hangs and hangs, and then it starts to dissipate slowly. I think that was all I was going to actually stream for today. In a bit, I'm going to have my dinner and then have a drink. Probably not stream, but play games downstairs probably. So thanks for watching.